days on a broken street. Dust on memories, bare feet. A lighter flickers, the silence speaks. Smoke curls up with ghosts of peace. Old men sit where shadows stay, trading years for one more day. In the ash of what was lost, counting scars, counting cost. Names are written in the rain on rusted helmets, hidden pain. Every breath is borrowed time, every drag a fading line. Post-war cigarettes of Cambodia, burning slow in a wounded land. Each small flame tells a story of love or loss, of shaking hands. Post-war cigarettes of Cambodia, gray skies over red-brown ground. We inhale the past in silence, exhale prayers without a sound. Children laugh where minds once slept. Mothers smile though hearts are kept in photographs of yesterdays, folded dreams and faded names. The radio hums an old refrain, a cracked guitar, monsoon rain. Smoke drifts through a temple door. Peace feels close but asks for more. Ash falls soft like summer snow. What we lost, we still don't know. Hands that tremble, eyes that see how hard it is to just be free. Post-war cigarettes of Cambodia, burning slow in a wounded land. Each small flame tells a story of love or loss, of shaking hands. Post-war cigarettes of Cambodia, gray skies over red-brown ground. We inhale the past in silence, exhale prayers without a sound. If smoke could speak, it'd say, hold on. If ash could sing a softer song, between the fire and the end, we learn again how to begin. Post-war cigarettes of Cambodia, last light before the night is done. From the ruins, hope is breathing like the rising of the sun. Post-war cigarettes of Cambodia, let the embers gently fade. We put the war down on the table and choose the life we've made. The lighter clicks, the morning clears. Smoke dissolves into the years. In quiet hearts, a promise stays. Peace survives the longest days.